mail call. Check it out. Here we are for the mail call with Salty Badger. First thing we're going to open up is a shirt we got coming in from Baggers. Like I said earlier, if you haven't seen his stuff, if you're into the Bagger stuff, he does some pretty neat stuff. He's got some raffles going. If you buy some stuff, you should stop over there, check it out. Let's see how this raffle works out. But F-bomb Bagger shirt. So get us in on the raffle. Like I said, we had pretty good luck. Won from XAM Biker. Got the battery charger on the first mail call. 2 up journeys. So figured why not try it with F-bomb. See if we can't get in on the raffle. See what we can do. I don't know which one I'd pick if I won it, but can't win if you don't try, right? So this one here is from 2 Up Journey Junkies. Let's see what's inside the box. They got really nice packaging. They got some flushable wipes box that everything came in. Let's see if you don't follow 2 Up Journey Junkies. Stop over, check out their stuff. They got some pretty good stuff going on too. Got a shirt from them too, in a nice package. That's a nice shirt. Nice material too. There you go. So now I got 2 new shirts to put in the wardrobe. They sent a Thunder Max hat. Nice. Some chapstick. And we got a sticker. Second sticker to go on the sticker board. Go to their page, check them out. It's pretty empty still. We're still new to the channel thing. This is our second mail call, so we got 2 stickers in. Always have trouble with stickers. I owe 2 people stickers so far, which as soon as I get some made up, I'll make sure and get these out. Alright, got the sticker started, so we'll get the sticker on. Stickers, hey, we got nice raffle winners. There's our spot on the sticker board, right above XAM Biker. You guys have a good night.